Dennis Marquez at Waller Park, Santa Maria on Sunday. End of the car show. Everybody's packing up. Still got some cars out here. I'm gonna try to do a video of them leaving. Show ends at 4. Still a lot of people here. Chevy Impala Classic. Convertibles, Impalas, GMC truck, Chevy truck. Get some lowriders here. I'm gonna try to catch a couple of these cars exiting the car show. Took a few pictures of a couple cars over here earlier. This thing's slammed. Couple of these cars out here as they exit. And the car show 2023 gets bigger every year. Check it out, on the way out. The El Camino. Classic right there. Everybody's heading out. Clean car right here. Still got a couple cars out here. I'll do another video. I'm gonna try to do this one in 5 minutes. I'll finish it off with the Super Sport Chevelle. Nice red color. Nice clean interior.